Look at the X's, 97, 56, 55, 34, and I'm getting knocked up and immediately 100, of course. Great. 200. Hello everyone, Ramcha is with you. Today the farm is in Lucky Jet with 1000. All the beggars flew by. I would like to take 2 more X's. Once again take 2 X's and then farm them according to the tactics. It's fine. 30 rubles, oh yeah. Now I can bet 30 rubles here and here, starting from 50 and future increase. I took it, the good stuff. Just 3 purple and 3 blue. $50, $250, 1000. Oh yeah. I have. Now 5000 will be easy, just easy 5000. If Lucky Jet doesn't start making dirty tricks. He loves it. You remember? That's it. Okay, we jugged once, don't do that anymore. Normal.
Есть.
Oh yeah, x13. I want to take 20x, but I decided to take x13. I could have waiting, but whatever, normal. X is good, damn! Or maybe it was holding, look where he's going. I threw up to 20 and that's it, but he's flying on 81x, wow. There are 1000 farms left and it will be 5000. Perhaps this 1000 can be obtained here. We need about x30. x30 and it will be 5000. Maybe it will work out at this moment. Okay. $250. I am beginning to be inclined to the fact that there are fly periods and non-fly periods, and he randomly gives out their X's, and there just happens to be a series of randoms, luck and bad luck. Yep. Oh yes. Top. Engine. Now 2x's, pick up and go to Rocket X. Let's go straight to Rocket X. And we finish 5000 in Rocket X. Just x2, just x2.
Просто пиздец.
Look at the x's, 97, 56, 55, 34, and I'm getting knocked up and immediately 100, of course. 100 often gives, but on the other hand, it also gives good x's. It will be easy to pick up some x5. Then 3000 remains. 500 x5, and it will be 5500. x5, x5. I will raise a bit. I feel, well, he is. Gives. Well, damn, I think it's a victory. It was necessary to finish 5000 in Lucky Jet. Why did I go to this Rocket X? Rocket X sucks. Lucky Jet top. After 5000 left a little bit, it's all Rocket X, it's all Elon Musk, it's all this fraudster Elon Musk. Once he said he was a fraud, no one believed him, but now he's outplayed, he took my money. And flies to Mars with money. He's warm, awesome. This is such a villain. And teasing. Enough rockets for today.
Но какая разница, каким ты классом летишь, когда падает самолет? Если все же приземлимся этим утром, я сразу позвоню, хотя бы на минуту. За шаг до края слишком многое кажется ценным, но точно не деньги и точно не сцена.
Oh yeah.